Welcome back to Living 808. Now today we're continuing the conversation on children's mental health acceptance, and we're joined by Tayal, who is the Community Programs Director of Hale Opio. Aloha, thanks so much for joining us.
Aloha, thank you for having me.
Of course. Now, let's talk about all that you guys do, because I know you're doing a lot of work at Hale Opio and on Kauaʻi to support our community, youth, families. So tell us what you guys are doing to really promote, especially children's mental health acceptance.
So at Hale Opio, we do education programs, which include prevention with youth empowerment programming in the schools, community, and also at our agency. We also have a divergent program called Teen Court, and we also do treatment programming in and out of the home with services such as foster care, case management, and therapy. What's key is that the community partners and relationships that we have. As you know, it takes a village. So the community partners that we work with, as well as being able to provide direct supports or referral to other service providers, is key to being able to support our community and Ohana.
And you do that in really big ways. So let's talk about the events that you guys host.
So some of the events that we host, we have a big one coming up with a back to school event, open hale, and job fair. So that's going to be happening on July 29th, and people can go to our website at www.haleopio.org and check out that flyer and register. We also partner with and the Suicide Task Force to offer sources of strength training, actually statewide. And we are getting certified to be able to offer that to youth and adults to become mentors to others dealing with suicide and promoting awareness and prevention.
Wonderful. And going to those events can be so healing, and you learn a lot. Of course, a lot of us are wanting to improve our mental health, and especially for our youth. So for those that are looking to make those improvements, what advice do you have for us?
So as part of Mental Health Awareness Month, I'm working in partnership with Children's Mental Health Acceptance. Oftentimes we think of as adults and are exposed to adults dealing with mental health struggles, but youth and children are also, especially since COVID, dealing with a lot of mental health issues. So we're trying to provide supports for that. And what's really important is advocacy, awareness, mindfulness, and action, right? So we all know some of the common tricks and tools like taking a walk, getting sleep, eating healthy, maybe keeping a journal. But some of the most important tools are actually having a trusted adult support. And, I know it's hard for youth to talk to an adult, but if they have a positive friend in their life that they can talk to, that's really critical.
That's a great tip. And obviously having a trusted adult is something that's really important. But for people that are looking for other resources, what do you recommend resources for people that are looking to improve their mental health, or even someone that needs crisis support?
So we have local and statewide or national resources that I wanted to share. So some of the national resources include the American Suicide Foundation, which has a website. Also, Sources of Strength is a nationwide training. And on the state level, there is Hawaii Cares, which has the 988 line now. So that's really easy for people to remember whether they're providing someone support or whether someone needs to reach out for additional support and a helpline, someone to talk to. There's also a crisis text line. You can text Aloha to 741-741. And there's also, on a local scale, the Prevent Suicide Kauai Task Force. We meet monthly at the end of the month on Mondays. And there's all kinds of resources, trainings, events, and support links on that website, preventsuicidekauai.org.
Wonderful. So good to know, because there are so many people out there that do care, that want to help, and there are great resources. We'll have a link to all that she mentioned on our website at kh12.com. But thank you so much for joining us. It's a really important topic, and I'm glad we're able to dive into it so much.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too.